Guys, so this seems to be I think it's the F, 2 seconds, I'm meant to actually know the name of these things, but it's this one here, and the print doesn't seem to be that large, but this is what type of filter it is. It's the F25, and it's a biofilter. Now, the filter that I had in there before, I've actually took it out, as it no longer is needed for my tank. It basically, it's constant maintenance, and it's just a pain in the backside. It was a good filter while it lasted, but I've upgraded to this bad boy, which I got from a local fish shop here in the UK. But I do believe that you can. I'll leave the link to the website where I found these on Google, where you can buy one of these. And this is the Sponge Filter F25. It's very, very big, to be honest with you. In comparison with the tank, this would really, really help the guppies. I've just literally cleaned the bottom of it. It was bare bottom, but we've got some substrate there that we're going to pop in, and we're going to stick this bad boy in, and and we're going to do a little review on it and see how far we get with it. It's also got it's a rotating nozzle at the top of it. You can also turn this around. It's a good little filter. And for the price of it, definitely recommend it to anyone. You can see where the airline goes in, and you could just use an air pump for this. And it seems to be, sorry, my camera's not the best, but a very fine sponge. Not coarse, I would say, but very, very fine. My camera's not the best. But yeah, I just thought I'd make a quick video on the new F25 sponge aquarium filter that will be going into the tank with the new substrate to give these guys better living quarters, and to see how they get on now, because they're breeding like crazy and it's time to upgrade their tank, and to see how things really, really go with this. So yeah, we're going to fill it up with water from the tank, and what we're going to do is just dip this in here, give it a really good soak, stick it in the tank, give the glass a good clean, put the substrate in, and then we're going to come back to filming again. So this is it in already, and what I noticed is it's got 2 holes at the bottom, and I thought it would have holes all the way through the entire pipe that's in the middle. This could be an addition. You can add more, drill more holes into the centre of this. I'm just positioning it roughly in the middle just for now, until I get the substrate in, and when I get the substrate in, I'll be able to figure out more of what sort of layout I want. And as you can see, it is really, really visible. I don't really mind showing my filters, even when friends and family are around. At the end of the day, give it a couple of weeks, and this thing will be full of algae, food particles, everything that the guppies can also eat from. You know, and yeah, it'll just all around it'll just look a lot better. The background I want to paint black. That'll probably be in a next video, but yeah, just for you know, demonstration purposes, this is it inside the tank, and this is the bottom of it, and the tube runs from the back all the way up, and as you can see here, it joins in, it comes through, can't really show you, but it comes through the back, through this part here, up and around, and this is the little bit here where I'll connect my other, you know, air pump from here to there. And yeah, so I definitely I'm really happy with this purchase, and I really want to see how it gets on. I'm going to give that light a clean as well when I top it up with fresh water. So yeah guys, so I've gone ahead and I've topped it up with water, just using the bucket, and I normally put all my old stuff in there, put it underneath the unit. But as you can see, I mean, it is a good pump that I've got, you know, but I'm just glad that the bubbles aren't a lot worse than that. At least they're just tiny sort of amount of bubbles, so it doesn't scare the guppies, which are very, very happy with the water change. Really, really happy. And then we're going to go and put the substrate in. But yeah, this is the filter, pretty much as it stands in the tank, the middle of the tank. So I can't wait to see, you know, to see them using this as well. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get the substrate in. And for everybody here that came for the filter review, yeah, this is the filter in the tank working. So yeah, and there's the bubbles, guppies are happy, and I definitely recommend it. I will leave a link in the description for the sponge filter. It might not be in our currency, so yeah, but at least I've left a link in the description, so go ahead if you want one of these and buy one.